So the first thing you are going to do here, we are going to download VPN, right? So I'm going to show you how you can get a free VPN. So follow this link below this video so you can download the app, or search for the app on Play Store or Apple Store. The name of the app is Freetoon, right? And the name of the VPN is Tubo VPN. And if you have any VPN you are using, you can make use of it. To do that, I want you to turn off the location of your phone, then turn on the airplane mode, then connect to a nearby network. Maybe if you have another phone, you can put on your hotspot so you can connect your Wi-Fi, right? So they won't dictate that you are making use of maybe Glow Line, MTN, or any other network. So now sign up on the Tubo VPN, then click on it. Alright, go to smart location. So smart location, we are going to choose our location to US, United States. Then there is going to be like a free and the paid one, the paid location there. Look for any of the free location, then click on it, then wait a little bit, it's going to connect. Yeah. All right, so we are connected. All right, now I'm going to make use of the app now, the Freetoon app. All right, so you can either sign up with your Facebook, or you make use of your Google Voice to sign up, or you can create a new account. But on this tutorial, I'm going to make use of my Google account to sign up. All right, so now that I am in, they are going to ask me to choose your number. So now, because the location is in New Jersey, so that's why you see this 1 2 3 4 5 number. So you are going to select any one from it. Please, if you are joining my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you're watching, you won't miss out. So let's proceed. So what we are going to do now, let's test the number before we choose. So I will just go to my WhatsApp and copy one of the number. Let's see if we are going to get a message, a verified message from WhatsApp. So I will just enter the number here. All right, so this is it. So they are going to, I'm going to continue. They are going to send a code. Make sure you check the number, that the number is correct. You like to edit, so I'll just click on, say, so the number is, confirm this number. So we are going to select the number 2, allow. So you're going to enter your email address, then you choose a password. So they are going to request for your age, so, and your gender. Then you click on register. So let's wait. So they are going to ask for your woman verification. So all right, so we are almost done, so just have patience. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. All right, you can see the number here. Welcome to text me. All right, so your new number, you can see, secure your number. If you want to go on premium, you can decide to purchase it, but since we are not doing that, so let's test our number. on WhatsApp. So click on OK and relax. They are going to send you a code. You couldn't send an SMS. Okay. So we are going to do it on call recently. So you are going to wait for about maybe 1 minute to do that. But let's see. All right. Okay. So you just have to wait about an hour. Then you do the process again. Sometimes, I don't know, WhatsApp is crazy sometimes. So you click on call. So they are going to ring you. So if they didn't ring you, they are going to send a voice message, like a voicemail. So you can see WhatsApp is calling now. Then I accept. Then they are going to tell me the code. See? So make sure you have maybe other phone or you have a pen before doing that, so you'll be able to put down the number. So now you can see our WhatsApp. We are verifying it. Done. Verification complete. Continue. Put your name. If you want to back it up, you go ahead. Alright, so I will just put the name here. Alright, so I will just select the profile picture.